Hello guys, I bought this from Bugis Street for $5 and it's very long. I want to cut this and make this one set tops and bottoms.
According to my preferred length of my pants. So if you guys are doing this, you can cut also according to your length, so that on your preferred and comfortable pants once you are wearing it. I'm done with my top. So from one long culottes, now I make a top out of it. So we have one set of can use for summer because it's very hot, or so makes us feel comfortable and not so hot. And my culottes now become a two pairs, one top and one pants. So yes guys, if you have these pants, you can do this the same. It's very simple and it's easy to do. You don't need to throw your old clothes. You can still DIY and make it as that's what I did. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I hope I'll give you some ideas of your old clothes on how are you going to do. And yeah, please, if you are new to my channel, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe na din. And yeah, continue to like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel guys, and give me a thumbs up. New sets of damit. Just now it's only one pair of square pants or culottes, but now a pair of dress. And yes guys, thank you for watching once again, and see you on my next